One day, Jenny, a cheerful and energetic girl, decided to go to her favorite place, the children's park. The park was overflowing with colorful slides, swaying bridges, and vibrant play areas. Excitedly, Jenny ran to the park and headed straight for the colorful slide. When she reached the top of the slide, she shouted, "Here I go," and started sliding down rapidly. With smiles never leaving her face as she descended, Jenny moved on to other areas of the park to meet new friends. After playing puzzle games with a group of children, Jenny joined in a fun balancing game on the swaying bridge. Doing her best not to lose her balance while crossing, she successfully made it across with the other children. Next, she decided to spend some enjoyable time on the giant swing in the middle of the park. Flying high in the air, feeling the wind on her face, Jenny felt like a bird. While swinging, she chatted with her new friends, and they laughed together. As the day went by, keeping busy with fun activities in every corner of the park, Jenny slowly left the park as evening approached. However, as she left, her heart was filled with new friendships and wonderful memories. Jenny's adventure in the children's park was a fantastic story highlighting values such as playing together, sharing, and friendship, which children of all ages would enjoy. Once upon a time, in the deep blue waters of a coral island, there lived a charming little mermaid. Her name was Melissa. Unlike the other mermaids, Melissa was smaller and more cheerful. She grew up among colorful corals and vibrant sea creatures beneath the sea. One day, as Melissa was exploring around the island, she discovered a mysterious cave. The cave was adorned with colorful seaweeds. Intrigued, Melissa swam inside. Inside, she encountered Queen Pearl, the mermaid queen, sitting on a magical pearl throne. Queen Pearl assigned a special task to Melissa. She asked her to find a precious pearl that had gone missing from other underwater kingdoms. Melissa eagerly accepted the task and set off immediately. Throughout her adventure, Melissa encountered colorful fish, friendly seahorses, and wise dolphins. Each one provided different clues about the lost pearl. Melissa used her courage and intelligence to piece together these clues. Finally, Melissa found the lost pearl in a deep cave. The pearl was surrounded by sparkling colorful stones. Melissa took the pearl and returned to Queen Pearl. Queen Pearl praised Melissa's courage and adventure. When Melissa returned to her island in triumph, the other mermaids showed her great love and respect. Despite her small size, Melissa had become a hero among the underwater kingdoms. And from that day on, Melissa's name was spoken with respect throughout the seas. Once upon a time, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily lived in a small cottage on the edge of the forest. In the forest, many animals resided, but Lily had a special affection for an ugly duckling living in the pond. Other birds would shun the ugly duckling, teasing and mocking it, but Lily always stood by its side. One day, the ugly duckling decided to leave the forest and venture far away. Lily was saddened but wished it the best of luck. Years went by, and Lily never forgot about the ugly duckling. One day, while wandering through the forest, she heard a familiar sound from behind the bushes. From behind the bushes emerged the ugly duckling, but it was no longer ugly. It had transformed into a beautiful swan over time. Lily was overjoyed and reunited with it. The swan looked at Lily with gratitude for always being there for it. Lily and the swan became friends and started to enjoy their time in the forest together. Other birds now showed respect for the swan. Lily had shown the swan the true meaning of friendship. Their friendship was everlasting, and they happily lived together in the forest. This story conveys that external appearance cannot hinder true friendship and emphasizes the value of genuine companionship.